Are you tired of chemical insect repellents that smell bad and irritate your skin? With the Medicinal Garden Kit, you can grow your own natural herbs right at home, and today, I'll show you how to make DIY natural insect repellents using those same herbs. Check out the link in the description to grab your Medicinal Garden Kit and start growing your herbal remedies today. Let's begin with some powerful herbs that naturally keep bugs away. Lavender repels mosquitoes and adds a calming scent. Basil keeps flies out of your kitchen. Mint is great for repelling ants and mosquitoes, and rosemary drives away gnats and flies with its strong aroma. The best part? All of these herbs can be easily grown from the Medicinal Garden Kit, even in small spaces like your balcony or windowsill. Now, let's make your own insect repellent spray. You'll need 1 cup of boiling water, a handful of fresh herbs, lavender, mint, or basil, and 1 tablespoon of witch hazel or apple cider vinegar. Add the herbs to the boiling water and let them steep for about 30 minutes. Once cooled, strain the liquid and mix it with witch hazel. Pour it into a spray bottle, shake well, and you're done. You've just made your very own chemical-free bug repellent using your own garden herbs. This natural spray keeps insects away while leaving your skin fresh and fragrant. No chemicals, no toxins, just nature's own protection. If you loved this herbal DIY, imagine what else you can create with your own garden. Get your Medicinal Garden Kit today using the link in the description and start growing your own natural healing herbs right at home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more herbal DIY recipes. Stay natural, stay protected, and let your garden be your best defense.